Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 15th of October 2016 and we're providing our gold and silver update for the week ending the 14th of October. Gold fell in US dollar terms last week by $7 from $1,257 to $1,250, having hit a high of $1,267 and a low of $1,248. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £1,026, up £15. And in euros, it closed at €1,139. That's up €18 on the week. Silver fell 14 cents from $17.55 to $17.41, having reached a high of $17.89 and a low of $17.35. In sterling terms, it closed at £14.28. That's up 17 pence for the week. And in euros, it rose 0.20 euros to 15.86 euros per ounce. The gold to silver ratio rose slightly from 71.6 to 1 to 71.8 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 18,138, up 39 points on the day and down 102 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 5,214, up 1 point on the day and down 78 points on the week. Brent crude was up just 2 cents at $51.95, and US light crude was up 54 cents at $50.35. The dollar index stands at 98.01. That's up 1.38 on the week. Gold futures traded in an extremely tight range last week of just under $20. Rising expectations of a Fed rate hike in December curtailed any real upside action. This was speculated by Treasury traders who drove yields to a 4-month high. This was confirmed by hawkish minutes from the Fed's September FOMC meeting. The chances of a Fed rate hike in December rose from 66% to 70%. A worse-than-expected US sentiment report also weighed on gold prices. Many traders are predicting a small sell-off next week. However, if this does happen, we envisage only a small move downward and believe that prices are now becoming very attractive. Silver markets initially tried to rally during the course of the week, but turned back around to form what technical analysts refer to as a very small shooting star. However, the $17 level is likely to continue to be supportive, and it is suggested by some traders that once the $18 level is breached again, then a shooting star will propel prices back to the $20 level. As with gold, silver has further been affected by the strong dollar and the threat of interest rate rises. The dollar's rise not only impacted both gold and silver, but we have now witnessed 2 strong consecutive weekly rises, making a farce of those advocates who were claiming that its recent fall was going to continue down into oblivion. Wednesday is the third and final presidential debate at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, with Chris Wallace, the anchor at Fox News Sunday, being the moderator. The Trump camp have indicated that it will be a no-holds-barred event, and we shall no doubt witness some serious accusations and perhaps adverse behaviour between the candidates. With Trump declining in the polls, this is slowly reducing traders' concerns. However, should Trump be seen to do well and revive his fortunes, then we can see some falls on the markets and gold and silver prices regain a little lost ground. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/Illuminati Silver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.